Radio is one of the major methods of communication used to disseminate newsworthy and other important messages across Kenya. If radio batteries are no longer working, they are put under the sun to gain some more power. And in case they still do not work or the power is over, they are disposed in a compost pit or wherever in the compound or in the garden. This is simply because consumers have little knowledge of the risks behind this, and then they have no other means of disposal.
Television station.
Dry cells are not rechargeable. I dispose them off into the pit. Since there are no other disposal alternatives, I just dispose them off into the pit.
Representing Voices of Africa from Meru, Kenya, I am Peris, Warimu.